What again? Read.
Read.
Dear Isa, you are the best gift of all.
Hmm?
Wala man lang ka-feel.
Read it first. Read it first.
To Isa, happy birthday. From Kyra and Amina.
Dadali stapler, mahiwa ka. Wow. Harap mo. Tingnan mo to.
So,
That's
every
what.
what's in here?
Hollow blocks.
Hollow blocks.
Nice. Ang ganda ng watch mo.
Read it first, Isa.
Pareho pala.
Kanino galing?
Princess.
Hmm.
What is this?
Box. Wow.
Jogging ha? Pwede ka na mag-jogging.
Naku po, ang haba.
Kay daddy yan.
Daddy yan.
Open mo. Patingin. Dito.
Anong size?
Say what you say. Anong sabihin mo?
Ito pa, oh, next. Bigay ito ng ng panderosa.
What's this?
Yami siya, nak.
A mouse. Seriously.
Laptop na lang ang kulay. Pa, meron na pala.
Bakit may mouse?
Mouse lang ang ano yan. Ibang laman yan.
Nasaan ang kasama niyo?
Laman
Now
yan eh.
let's do this.
Sige. Saan galing yan?
Mouse and four.
Isa bakit may mouse?
Asan ka?
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Sa tablet yan?
Ano yung
Laptop. Where's the other one?
Next year. Next year yan.
Installment, 1 by 1.
next birthday? Yun naman ano, keyboard naman. Ano? Tagal.
Sabi niyan, di na uso keyboard.